Good day everyone. Welcome to Bahay Aralan. In this video, we will be talking about the cases of pronouns. Just a quick recap, pronouns are words that are used to take the place of nouns in sentences. Okay? Pronouns have three cases. These cases depend on the functions or how the pronouns are used in the sentences. And these cases are the nominative case, the objective case, and the possessive case. Let us have the nominative case first. A pronoun is said to be in the nominative case if it is used as the subject in the sentence. When we say subject, it is the topic of the sentence or what the sentence talks about. For example, he is the coach of the football team. The pronoun used in the sentence is he. It is used to replace the specific name of the male coach. And as you can see, it functions as the subject in the sentence, as it is what the sentence talks about or the topic of the sentence. That is why it is in the nominative case. Another example. They have been working at the shop for years. The pronoun they in the sentence is in the nominative case because it functions as the subject in the sentence. It is what the sentence talks about. And it is the doer of the action, which is have been working. Clear? Aside from he and they, other pronouns in the nominative case are I, you, she, we, and it. Now let us move on to the pronouns in the objective case. A pronoun is in the objective case if it functions as the direct object, indirect object, or the object of the preposition. When we say direct object, it receives the action done by the subject. It answers the question what or whom. For example, John is reading it. The pronoun it in the sentence functions as the direct object as it receives the action or the verb is reading. It answers the question what is John reading? It, which is the book. Okay? Another example. The boss saw her in the mall. The pronoun that functions as the direct object in the sentence is her. It receives the action saw. It answers the question, whom did the boss see in the mall? Her. Okay? Now, let us have the indirect object. An indirect object receives the direct object. It answers the question, to whom, or for what. For example, Max pitched him the baseball. The pronoun him in the sentence functions as an indirect object. Why? Because it receives the direct object, which is baseball. Now let's try to ask some questions. What did Max pitch? The baseball. So, this is the direct object. To whom did Max pitch the baseball? To him. It receives the direct object. That is why the pronoun him functions as an indirect object in the sentence. Clear? Another example. The investor loaned them some money. The pronoun them in the sentence functions as an indirect object. It receives the direct object, which is money. Let us ask, what did the investor loan? Some money. So this is the direct object. To whom did the investor loan some money? To them. And that is the indirect object. Clear? Now let us have the object of the preposition. As the term suggests, it comes after a preposition. Some prepositions include to, in, into, on, at, for, by, during, from, with, above, below, under, between, among, across, about, of, against, along. Let us have an example. Will you come with me to the party on Friday? The pronoun that functions as an object of the preposition in the sentence is me. And as you can see, it comes after the preposition with. Okay? Another example. I put the rest of your sandwich in it. The pronoun it is an object of the preposition, as it comes after the preposition in. Is it clear? As a recap, the pronouns that are in the objective case are me, him, her, it, them, us, and you. Now let us move on to the possessive case of pronouns. A pronoun is said to be in the possessive case if it shows ownership. For example, those gloves are hers. The pronoun in the possessive case in the sentence is hers. As you can notice, it shows possession or ownership. It tells who owns the gloves, right? Another one. The team is proud of its ability to perform consistently well. The pronoun in the possessive case in the sentence is its. It tells whose ability to perform consistently well the team is proud of. Okay? Other pronouns in the possessive case, aside from hers and its, are yours, his, ours, theirs, mine, your, our, their, my, and her. Is it clear? Let us put all these pronouns in a table to compare them easily. Again, subject pronouns include I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. While object pronouns are me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Possessive pronouns include my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, their, theirs. Is everything clear? Now let us have an activity. Find the pronoun in each sentence and identify its case. First one. The sweater on the brown chair is his. The pronoun in the sentence is his, and its case is possessive. It shows ownership, particularly the owner of the sweater. Next, they crossed the lake this morning. The pronoun in the sentence is they, and it is in the nominative case because it is the subject in the sentence, the doer of the action, which is crossed. Third one, the witness finally told the truth about them. The pronoun in the sentence is them, and it is in the objective case. Why? Because it comes after the preposition about. Fourth one, I gave her a number of ideas about the campaign. Okay, in this sentence, there are actually two pronouns. The first pronoun is I, which is in the nominative case. It functions as the subject in the sentence. It is the doer of the action, gave. And the other pronoun in the sentence is her, and it is in the objective case. It functions as an indirect object. Why? Because it receives the direct object, ideas or a number of ideas. Last one. We collected funds for cancer research. The answer is we. It is in the nominative case. It is the subject in the sentence. It is the doer of the action collected. So, is it understood? That said, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Take care.